everybody, my name is Karen and I'm the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can I do with a major in the social sciences. Now this workshop is geared towards those students who are interested in majoring in a major within the social sciences. I will walk you through what you can do with these majors. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with a list of majors or careers you can go into within the social sciences. We have anthropology, archaeology, counseling, criminology, geography, international relations, political science, psychology, and sociology. Why study social science? First, we have help society run smoothly. When you're majoring in the social sciences, you're going to learn a lot about how people socialize. For example, these are a few examples of how a major in the social sciences can help society run smoothly. For example, we have police maintain order, psychologists help people function, childcare providers keep children safe, etc. Social sciences gives you the knowledge you need to help and analyze individuals, small groups, and society as a whole. So as I mentioned, when you major in the social sciences, you're going to be learning about society and how people function. Why study social science part 2? You should consider studying social science if first, you're interested in law and order. That is, if you're interested in going to criminal justice or criminology, then majoring in social sciences is one of the majors for you. You constantly question the status quo. That is, maybe you're a person who constantly wonders why people behave the way they do. So maybe majoring in something such as psychology or sociology could be the major for you. You're fascinated by ancient civilizations. That is, if you love learning about history and about how the world was made, maybe a major such as anthropology or archaeology could be something for you. You love helping people. A big part of social science is about helping people. That could be maybe psychology or sociology, maybe in criminology, etc. And finally, you want to help solve the world's trickiest problems. That is, when you major in the social sciences, you're going to learn a lot about how or why people behave the way they do, and maybe this can help you solve some of the world's trickiest problems. Careers in social science vary greatly. That is, there are a lot of industries that people that major in social sciences can go into. Since the field is so large, you'll likely choose a more specific social science major to study while in school. This will help guide your career prospects. The most common industries that social science students work are in business, community services, health services, higher education, law, publishing, social services, and teaching sectors. Of course, this is just an example list, but there are a variety of other industries that social science majors can work for as well. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback y'all can give us. Check out my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.